How to make your TikTok account profile private. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your profile on TikTok private, easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to TikTok, and this is my profile. Now it is public profile and I want to make it private. So first thing you do is you go to those three lines right here and click on them, then choose the settings option right here, and then you will have many options here, but you have to choose the second one, which is privacy. And now you will find this option of private account. You can turn it on like this and click switch anyway, and your profile will be personal or private account. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.